Okay, here we are, 14th Avenue, Tauranga. We're looking at the hot water cylinder here. This is a video for Greg Pratt and his team. So we're looking at, he wanted to see the pipework under the hot water cylinder and above. So, yeah, there's there's one in the foreground, there's one in the rear there. They join up together. And from there it goes up into the cylinder. That's all I'm seeing there. It's explaining because it's not hard to, so it's quite hard to see it. And then there's one pipe coming out of the top. That's all the pipework loading to the hot water cylinder. There is a manhole cover just over there. There's adequate room in the ceiling to get up and scramble around. So the thinking is the pipework will go up through them to the ceiling, and then across and down that cabinet to the fridge. So yeah, so the fridge area there, fridge pantry is freestanding, kitchen and the fridge cavity. So you can see the hot water cylinder in the back there. So it's relatively short distance to go up in the ceiling and then down into this. Yeah. Okay.